Girlies, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. I see you in my likes, subscribes and comments. We are sitting down today to do a packing for skiing, what you're going to need for your ski trip, what are the essentials, what are we wearing. I'm going to go through all my outfits like we usually do with photos. I'm going to talk you through it, where I bought it, what I'm wearing, etc. So I'm back from the most amazing ski trip ever. I went skiing with L'Oreal Paris. It was insane. I didn't vlog it because, you know, I'm not that good at vlogging anyway, let alone around a group of gorgeous gals that I get nervous in front of Sam sometimes when I'm vlogging, so I wasn't really whipping out the vlogging camera. I was roomies with Rachel Leary. I love Rachel Leary. She put up a fabulous vlog, so I recommend if you want to see more, you can go watch hers. But I thought we'd do more of a sit down chat through afterwards, all about what I wore, what you're gonna need, what you're not gonna need. Skiing is a tough trip to pack for. It's overstimulating, it's an overwhelming trip. I've gone skiing 3 times, so I'm not one of these girlies that grew up on the slopes. I wish I was, but I'm not. I've only been 3 times. Only this 3rd time I was like, okay, I can skate. I'm not a bad skier. 2nd time was good. My cousin was teaching me everything. The 1st time was a drunk college trip with my girls. I don't know how we survived. Didn't do a lesson, anything. So if you're first time skiing, definitely do a lesson and you're gonna have so much fun. It's overwhelming, the thought of it, but it's so much easier once you kind of know what you're getting yourself in for. I did a TikTok about the things I wish I knew before I first went skiing. These are my tips. Before I get into outfits, you can skip through this if you're a pro skier, but this is just for the girlies that you might be new to skiing. The things I wish I knew. First things first, you're gonna need your ski pass to access everything. Can't go anywhere without your ski pass. Ideally, your ski jacket is gonna have a zip on your left arm because when you're going through the ski pass, like the bar, it'll scan your card on your left side. So just have it on your left side and it just makes life easier. Instead of going through your bum bag or your pockets, just try and wear it on your left side or have it on your left side. There's gondolas and there's ski lifts. The ski lifts are like the open air chairs that you just put your bum into, go and get the fuck off. Get off it as soon as you can, okay? You'll be fine, but just get off. Don't go all the way around. Gondola, you put your skis on the outside. This is all the things I learned. Put your skis on the outside, get in the gondola. As soon as you get out, take your skis out because they will continue without you. As I said in my TikTok, skiing, there's no stopping. No one is stopping for anybody when you're skiing, so you just gotta go, go, go. Move and groove. So before we get to the ski suits and the ski gear, what you actually need first is your thermals. You're gonna need layers because it's gonna be cold. I got my thermals from like Sports Direct, just like random kind of ski Oisho. I did a big haul on Oisho. I think this is Oisho. This needs to be washed. I haven't washed everything. This is me unpacking and about to do my washing, but I just wanted to show you everything before it all gets packed away because I'm lending it to my friends for their ski trip. For thermals, I just love the ones with the zippy so you can open it because it does get really warm. Long sleeves. To be honest, I always have overpacked thermals. I've always brought way too many. You might find that you put all your thermals on and then your ski suit or your salopettes and your jacket and you're absolutely sweating. So your first day out, you'll know what temperature you're dealing with. You might be very sweaty on your first day or you might be a bit cold, so then go from there. This trip, I really just wore a thermal top and my salopettes or suit. I didn't do thermal leggings as well. You don't need to bring 5 leggings, like maybe just 1 or 2 pairs. You don't need that many thermals unless you know it's going to be freezing. But when you're skiing, it gets very warm, it gets very sweaty. So you'll bring a thermal leggings, thermal top. Me personally, I never wore both at the same time with a suit. I would just do maybe the top underneath the suit. You're also gonna need your ski gloves, and I also had warm gloves. These ski gloves have text fingers, which is really handy. I would advise text fingers because again, it's cold, you don't wanna be taking off your gloves. It's a whole ordeal, like you're all covered up, you've all your skis and everything. If you need to text someone, you need to get your phone out, it's just easy to have a little text fingers. So your ski gloves have to be waterproof because if you're in the snow, your gloves are just going to soak through. So get your ski gloves and a warm pair of gloves for later in the night or underneath your gloves because your hands will get cold. One day we didn't go skiing, we just went sledging and for hot chocolates and stuff, but still needed the ski gloves and like the warmth because when you're sledging, you're still in the snow, you're falling in the snow, you're touching the snow. So just always be prepared for the snow. I definitely recommend hats, earmuffs. This was from Zara. Also a good tip is wear a headband under your helmet just to protect your hair because you will get helmet hair, it will get sweaty. So I found, especially with the bob, it just helped that front part of my hair stay a little bit in place for when I was taking off the helmet and going for hot chocolate. You don't feel so rotten, you still feel a little bit put together. Have a headband on. Perfect. This hat I wore in this outfit here, which also is a ski suit. So this outfit was for après ski. We had the best fun. So again, what I will say, like I said in my TikTok, for this après ski we drove, but if you're going like a girls trip, a group trip, a college trip, you're most likely skiing from the slopes to your après. So you're not gonna have a fur coat and a handbag. That was just the influencer way of doing it. It's not that realistic unless you're being bougie, have a car, etc. I couldn't believe when you girlies told me Oisho did ski gear. Thank God you told me. Thank you. You're always looking out for me because I got this suit and I got all my layers basically from Oisho. So it's a full suit, has a belt, has a hood that buttons on and off. So I took that off because because it was for après. Had my hat on instead. I had like a t-shirt on underneath this in case I was really warm and needed to strip down. You definitely want something underneath your suit because you're gonna have to pee, take the suit off, like, you know, or a lot of the time you see people take half the suit off and they're in the pants part of it and the tie your arms around and you're in a little t-shirt. So do wear something underneath, but for that après I knew we were going to get really warm, we were going to be dancing our ass off and we were just going to be inside, so I just wore a little t-shirt. Après ski is definitely the best part of skiing in my opinion. First time I went on a college trip, we couldn't ski and we skied there. It took us about 2 hours to get there because we couldn't ski, and going home was a red or black slope in a storm, so we went down on our bums for 3 hours. It took us 3 hours. Our hair was frozen, our eyebrows were frozen. It was pretty traumatizing but hilarious to look back on. So I would advise you, if you're a new skier and you're going to après, just check how you're going to get home from après. Make sure you're not going to be drunk on a black slope because it's very scary, or at least be with good skiers who can help you. And that fur coat was Source Unknown. Source Unknown are my favorite fur coats. Yes, they're bougie and that bit pricey, but I've had one in my wardrobe for like 3 or 4 years now. They just have stayed in my wardrobe for forever. So I really recommend. They're a splurge, but they're gorgeous. So with that being said, at après ski, most people are still in their ski gear. You'll be in your ski boots, which aren't the comfiest. Oh yeah, okay, snow boots, ski boots. These are filthy. Oh my God, these got so filthy at après. Maybe don't get a white pair of boots, even though they look so cute. These are filthy, even though they will clean. I'm not sure how I'll clean them, but it'll be fine. The day I flew to my ski trip, my new moon boots arrived. So annoying, but I will absolutely be skiing again, manifesting. I don't have anything booked for this year, maybe the end of this year, who knows. So I will hold on to them. So I got the blue because you might have seen my blue outfit, which I'll show you in a minute. So I didn't get to wear them. Someone did ask on TikTok, do I recommend tall or short boots? So I've only ever worn tall because I've only ever had tall while away. I didn't get to wear these, obviously. The short looks so cute. I think if you're not in deep snow, go for the short. But the moon boots, the tall ones are great if you are going to be in like tall snow. You also never really know if you're going to be in big or tall snow. You don't know what kind of snow is going to fall. So tall are handy. Harder to pack, but just fill them with your socks and fill them with your knickers and fill them with your bits for packing, and might make it easier. Or a lot of people wear their snow boots to the airport. I would have found that very sweaty, so I didn't. I just wore Ugg boots. But the great thing about skiing is your only shoes you're going to bring are your snow boots or hiking boots. A lot of people just wear like their hiking boots, or someone on my TikTok commented that their chalet is ski in, ski out, so they only actually ever wear like trainers. Good for you. But on all my trips, I've always needed a good snow boot because you're walking to your ski rental, you're walking in the snow for breakfast, at night time if you're going out for dinner. Ideally you're in your snow boots or like a hiking boot. You just need something that's good for the snow. And they don't have to be moon boots. I just love them. I just think they're so cute and fun. But any snow boots, hiking boots, you'll be fine. Also got a lot of questions about your dinner outfits, your night out outfits. I packed jeans and cute knit jumpers. I actually was looking at this online. It's the perfect moment and I didn't end up buying it, and L'Oreal Paris gave it to us. I couldn't believe when I saw it in the bed. I literally had this exact one in my basket. I was so chuffed because I think these ski jumpers are beautiful. Expensive, you can get dupes, but a good knit jumper, it doesn't need to be thick and heavy, just like thin enough. I actually did wear this sledging with my ski suit because that day we knew it was going to be really cold because we were going really high up and we weren't going to ski, so we weren't going to be that sweaty. So I actually wore this under my ski suit, but that would be so cute for dinner with a pair of jeans. Oh my God, I ordered this really last minute and it arrived in like 2 days. This is from My Sunday Ski. I'm obsessed with it. I actually can't wait to give, I'm lending my friends my stuff and I can't wait to see them in it because I just know they're going to love it because I'm so obsessed with it. I just want to go again and wear it all again. So the difference, I guess, between this suit and the Oisho suit, this is more of like a puffer. It's really that outerwear material, whereas the Oisho body ones, like you can get like a real tight body one. It was good in the snow, but again, I was in après. I wasn't falling in skis like into the snow. But I've heard good reviews, but I've also heard the Zara ski gear, which I wore last year and found fine, but a lot of people are saying do not use that. And in hindsight, yeah, like was I really wet last year? Probably. I probably did get really soaked from the snow. This, however, oh my God, I loved this so much. It has the flare at the bottom, so I love a ski suit that flares open at the bottom with the zip, so it just means it can go over your boots really comfortably, over your snow boots or your ski boots. Your ski boots are the boots you wear for your skis, which you will rent. They're not the most comfortable thing. Also, don't forget your ski socks, very important because they're like high, they'll keep you warm, and you just need that bit of comfort in between your shin and the ski boot because you'll get it once your ski boots are on. They're not the most comfortable thing in the world, but you get used to it and you get drunk on après and don't realize anymore. And like I was saying about wearing your ski pass on the left side of your body, most ski suits or ski jackets will have, oh, there's my ski pass. Oh, I'm gonna keep that forever. Went to Verbier. Did I say that? Oh my God, I loved it so much. I have such good memories. Yeah, so that's where you're gonna keep your ski pass. So you'll literally just scan in, bada bing, bada boom. Just don't forget your ski pass. You can get it when you're there. I don't think you can have it on your phone. I think it has to be a physical thing, and just pre-order them and then you'll go and collect them, or they'll get posted to you. But just ski pass. You'll need it to go anywhere and everywhere, because you like to get on a slope, you need your ski pass. Basically, to get up the mountain, you need your ski pass. To go to different mountains and different resorts, you'll need your ski pass. So that was my Sunday ski. Ski gear is expensive. It doesn't have to be that expensive, but also, that being said, like, you could wear the Zara suit and it might not keep you that warm. So a lot of the time you are paying for good quality, and with ski suits, you'll wear them year after year. Like, you hold on to your ski gear, or you can sell it off. But it is good to have good quality ski gear, is the one thing I would say. And with that being said, you do not need a ski suit for every day. You do not need salopettes and a new ski jacket for every day. You can rewear a ski suit the whole time. Like, you do not need, I know I was there in 100 different outfits, which I'm gonna show you more, but that was because it was like a content trip. Like, that was kind of the point. But realistically, you do not need, like, my other 2 ski trips, I did like one North Face jacket, I did like one ski jacket, one suit, one pair of salopettes, and that can do you. So don't feel like you have to have a million outfits. There's a lot of it you'll find you actually don't even wear in the end. Okay, I think my blue outfit might have been Instagram's favorite outfit. You can tell me what was your fave, but the blue one, I think you girlies really loved. Rebecca Spencer was our photographer. I love her with my whole soul. She just gets it. She gets everything. She makes you look so cute. So this was salopettes from Fusalp, F-U-S-A-L-P, Fusalp. How am I saying that? Fusalp. When I saw the blue online, I thought, okay, I'm doing a full blue outfit. Bo and T also have a gorgeous blue set. Ella, one of the girls, was wearing it and she looked stunning in it. We actually didn't get matching blue outfit pics, but it was stunning. So Bo and T, have a look at them for ski as well. Bo and T and Oisho are 2 big recommendations that I learned. So these are Fusalp, and I just love the blue. Again, I will keep these forever. And was there more blue on Fusalp? There might have been, but I was like, no, let's go find a good puffer. So not necessarily a ski jacket, which puffer, it ended up being fine, like it's waterproof, but just be careful, like ski jacket versus waterproof. Even when I wore North Face, was I fine? Yeah, like North Face does the job. But yeah, just make sure, ski jacket or puffer, make sure you're gonna be warm and waterproof. This is from Tommy Hilfiger. Loved it so much, kept me so warm. This is what I was wearing on our ski lesson. And I had this hat with me as well. So obviously I wasn't wearing this when skiing. I just had it in the car when we went up for lunch. So again, we had all the accessories, etc. Like, our life was made very easy, but the past ski trips I was on weren't as bougie. I don't know if I'll ever do something as bougie. It was just so amazing. Again, like, you probably don't have this with you skiing unless you like attach it to you. You get what I mean. But I did love this. This is also from Fusalp's. Fusalp? Fusalp. I don't know why I'm giving it an accent. It just feels like it needs to be said that way. Fusalp. I don't know. The Rashid earmuffs. I love Rashid, my Irish queen. She makes all beautiful faux fur pieces. Her earmuffs and hats, stunning. L'Oreal Paris also so kindly gave us all a suit, and I didn't get to wear this, and it's so beautiful. It's also my Sunday ski, and it has, which is actually, it's very like my Oisho one, and it has that gorgeous shearling at the top, belt. It's gorgeous. So I'll definitely give this to one of my girls to wear on their trip. Absolutely stunning. My Sunday ski, really, I was very impressed. I'd never worn them before. This is my washing pile, ignore. I'd never worn or shopped from my Sunday ski before, and I was very impressed. This was the bum bag I had with me, Lululemon. Get yourself a little bum bag or a little backpack. It's just handy. Although a lot of your ski gear will probably have pockets, but it's just handy for your phone. If you don't have a pocket for your ski pass, a little hairbrush, maybe SPF. Do not forget your SPF and your lip SPF, because it can be very sunny out there. Definitely look after your skin. Like, I was using a lot of La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm, because you can get windburn. Like, it's a full sport. I think we forget that skiing is a full sport. Like, you're going on a sporty holiday and you're in not extreme conditions, but you're in different conditions to your everyday. So, you know, if your skin is sensitive to the cold, I just love La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm for my skin to keep it nice and hydrated and looked after, protecting my barrier. But yeah, that was my little bum bag. She's super cute. So get yourself a little bum bag. I also love the Uniqlo. I never say that right. They have really nice bum bags that are actually fit a lot. Also, just another pair of salopettes that I didn't end up wearing. These are Oisho. No, where did I get these? Yeah, these are Oisho. So in Oisho, I got everything size M. in the suit as well. I just went according to the size guide. I just love those little, what do you call them? The straps that hold up your salopettes. Just think it looks really cute. And yeah, again, they have the zip at the bottom. So they're Oisho again. Oisho, I didn't even get to wear them, but I'll hold on to them for my next ski trip because we're manifesting. Really impressed by Oisho. They did me really proud. So I think that covers everything. So don't forget your ski gloves, warm gloves, ski socks, your own socks, and your knickers. Bring a bikini in case you have access to a spa bathing suit. There was a beautiful spa where we were in our chalet. It was so beautiful. So just in case, you know, you might manifest a sexy chalet boy and he might bring you to the spa. Who knows? It's just good to have one in case. Don't forget your snow boots. You won't need any other shoe. I just wore Uggs in the airport. Don't forget a bum bag. Don't forget all your toiletries, your skincare, your makeup, your hair. I think that pretty much covers everything. Don't forget your jeans and nice tops or jumpers for your dinners or going out. There's always cloakrooms at the clubs and stuff. So obviously going out to the club, you're going to be freezing. So you'll wear your ski jacket, but then you can check it into the cloakroom because the club is going to get sweaty. Also, a tip I shared on TikTok was, if you can, where you're going to rent your ski from, do get a shop that's as close to the slopes as possible. It can be hard to do or it might be more expensive, but it just means that you're in your snow boots from your chalet/hotel walking to rent your skis, etc. You don't want to be in the ski boots walking very far to the mountain because it's a walk and the ski boots aren't that comfortable to walk in. So as much as possible, get your rental skis and ski boots as close to the mountain as possible, if that makes sense, because it's just not the most comfortable. So what you'll do is you'll wear your moon boots and put your snow boots and put them in the locker where you put your ski boots on. So the closer that is to the mountain, the less stressful the walk is. That's just something I learned the hard way as well. Okay, girlies, I'm gonna love you and leave you. It's my birthday next week. It's my birthday next week and we are going to Paris. So we're gonna vlog. You're gonna get a good old birthday vlog. I feel like me and Sam haven't vlogged a trip in ages. So I'm really excited to be back vlogging again. I'm sorry I didn't vlog this ski trip, but it was very busy. You're on an itinerary, you're on a schedule, a lot going on. So I didn't get to vlog it. It's all on my Instagram and TikTok. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video, which will be a birthday vlog in Paris. I love you so much. See you in my likes, subscribes, and comments. Thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you so much. Love you. Bye.